Hello students, here we are just going to just solve some other theorem on the same chapter, that is the quadrilateral, and this is the results on, that is, rectangle, square and also the rhombus. See number theorem number 11, it is given. See, this is actually the converse of theorem number 10. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle, prove that this is a rhombus. That is, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Its diagonal AC and BD intersect at O such that this is actually OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD, that is bisect each other. And it is AD, this is AC perpendicular BD. AC perpendicular BD. This is given. So need to prove that is ABCD is a rhombus. Since the diagonal bisect each other, therefore we can just conclude directly that is ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given that is the diagonal bisect each other, no? So if it is bisect each other, then definitely this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now AOD and ACOD, these two triangles, AOD and COD, we can just tell this is equal to this, and this is OD common, and this is AOD angle equal to COD angle. This is 90 degree, it is given. So this is bisect each other at 90 degrees given. So we can tell that is this triangle and this triangle, this is congruent, that is SAS criteria. Then we can conclude that is AD equal to BC. This is CPCT. Now this is, as because this is a parallelogram, this is parallelogram, no, opposite sides are equal and parallel, then we can tell AB equal to DC, but and AD equal to BC, as because this is equal to this, that is then we can just conclude that all the sides, that is if this is equal to this and this will be equal to this, and if this is equal to this, then it will be equal to this, then AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, that is actually ABCD will be a rhombus. Next one, theorem number 12. 12 it is given, see, prove that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Here this is a square, you know square is actually also a parallelogram whose all sides are equal and angles are 90 degree. Here it is given ABCD is a square and AC and BD are two diagonals intersect at O. We need to prove this is OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD, and second part, AC is perpendicular on BD. Then prove ABC in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. In these two triangles, we know this equal to this, that is AD equal to BC. This is common both the sides. This is the common side of both the triangle, and this angle and this angle, it is 90 degree. We know that is the angles of that is a square. So this is these two triangles, that is ABC triangle and ABD triangles are congruent to each other. Criteria is SAS criteria. So we can conclude that is AC equal to BD. This is CPCT, and this is the first part we got. And in the second part, it is asked for, that is this is bisect each other. Now here, as because this is a parallelogram, so we know that is a parallelogram property, that is that diagonals bisect each other. So as because this is a parallelogram, then we can conclude that is OA equal to OC and BD equal to OD, OB equal to OD. So this is the second part. That is second part is over. Now is coming to the third part, that is AC perpendicular on BD. Now in triangle this and in triangle this, see here this equal to this is the common side, and this equal to also this. So this is SSS criteria. Then we can tell this is actually this angle equal to this angle. As because these are the linear pair angle and these two angles are equal, then we can just conclude that is each angle is 90 degree. And if this is 90 degree, that is AO is perpendicular on BD, that is AC is perpendicular on BD, and this is actually proved. So in this chapter, all the theorems we have already discussed through my different videos. Just go through these videos. If these properties of quadrilateral, parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus, you could better to solve all sort of problems within this chapter from the exercise. Thank you very much.